operational safety, regular inspection of the gas pipe system is necessary. The simplest method is to visually inspect the system or to detect the smell of gas. However, the specialist cannot always rely on such subjective perceptions. They need an objective method. I would like to show you today how you can carry out such a test with the help of the Wöhler GS 300 gas sniffer. First of all, I switch on the device outdoors because the sensor should not calibrate itself in a contaminated environment. After a minute, the device is ready for use and we can start working directly indoors. Here on the gas pipe, the individual connection points are now completely scanned one after the other. The device detects methane and propane in the range from 0 to 1200 ppm. Which gas is currently being detected can be set using the button. The gas concentration is shown once here on the display via the bars. An acoustic alarm can also be set. The device then starts to beep, and the higher the gas concentration, the faster the beeping. The beep and vibration alarm can be selected or deselected using this button. It is also helpful that the built-in light sensor, the display lighting, and the two LEDs at the front of the tip switch on from around 30 lux. This means that the area you are working on is always well lit. So simple is checking gas pipes with the Wöhler GS 300 gas sniffer.